Assalamu alaikum Arabic learners. Today we continue the Madinah Arabic shortened course where I simplified the lessons and kept them short to about 10 minutes to keep learning Arabic easy for you. Please find any videos you missed by watching the playlists Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened. Please help by sharing these videos to spread the knowledge. And please continue to like, comment and subscribe. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am Afifa and today is lesson number 26, which continues the topic on attached pronouns. So in the last lesson, we looked at the possessive pronouns ka, hu, and ha. Today we are going to look at the personal pronoun ana, and we will see how that changes to a ya mutakallim when it is attached to nouns. Okay, so let's look at this over here. It is kitabuka, meaning your book. We looked at that in the last lesson. Kitabuhu, meaning his book. Again, attached pronoun. Kitabuha, meaning her book. Again, an attached pronoun ha, right? So today we're looking at kitabi, which means my book. So you see how the independent detached pronoun ana became ya when it was attached to this noun. So we call this ya mutakallam, right? Kitabi, my book. And again, this is possessive. Now let's look at a pronunciation change when the personal pronoun ya mutakallam is added to the noun. So the noun was kitabu, right? There was the dhamma on the noun here. When the ya mutakallam was attached to this noun, it changed the dhamma to a kasra. So it is kitabi. So this was done for ease of pronunciation because it is hard to pronounce when there is a dhamma and then after it there is a kasra. So this was a pronunciation change. It is pronounced kitabi. In this sentence, let's look at the sentence here. Kitabi fi baiti. My book is in my house. Okay, so this is a nice sentence where it shows you the use of the ya mutakallam when it is attached to the nouns. So now we have learned baiti means my house. Now, how do we say our house in Arabic? So we will see now how the detached pronoun nahnu changes when it's attached to a noun. So we say baytuna, which means our house. Okay, let's look at some more examples. In this sentence, Allahu Rabbuna. Allah is our Lord. So how do you say Allah is my Lord? You would say Allahu Rabbi with a ya mutakallam. Okay, in this sentence, Al-Islamu dinuna. That means Islam is our faith or our religion. Let's look here. Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He is who? He is Nabiyuna. He is our prophet. So here we see that na is attached to Nabiyu to make it Nabiyuna. So here is a beautiful verse where the angels are saying to Allah, exalted are you, we have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Indeed, it is you who is the knowing, the wise. So we're only going to analyze this second part of this verse as it applies to the attached pronouns that we are studying. So let's look here at this portion. It is innaka antal alimul hakim. So here we observe that there is a particle of emphasis which is inna to mean surely, and this pronoun ka has been attached to inna. So that's why this is the form that we discussed earlier. This is the attached form of the pronoun for you, right? So this is innaka. So here the angels are speaking to Allah and the you is actually addressing Allah here. Okay, so let's look at the next verse here, which is saying this is our book, truthfully speaking about you. So let's look at this verse. هذا كتابنا. So haza means this. Kitabuna. So here comes our attached pronoun na. Right? We said that the detached form is nahnu and the attached form is na. Here it is attached to the noun kitab. So it becomes kitabuna. Yantiqu. This is a verb. Inshallah, we will study verbs later to mean speaking. Okay, alaykum. Okay, so here kum is an attached pronoun. That's why it's in this form, kum. And it is attached to this preposition, ala. Okay, so it becomes alaykum. And here is bil haq, with truth. So be is a preposition be to mean. Here it can mean about or with, and haq means the truth. Pronouns, when attached to nouns, form a possessive idafa construction. If you don't know what is an idafa construction, please refer to my previous lessons as I have covered that in much detail. So when you attach a pronoun to a noun, the noun becomes definite. So for example, your book means the book of yours. So it is a definite construction. Now, whenever these pronouns are attached to the noun, the al in the noun must be deleted. For example, al-baytu plus if you attach the pronoun ka, you have to first delete the al. So it becomes baytuka. Okay? And that is definite because you're talking about something specific. You're saying your house. It is a possessive construction. Okay? Let's look at another sentence here. If you say, Aina kalamuka, you're saying, where is your pen? So, kalamuka means your pen. It is definite, and this is also an idafa construction because it is a possessive construction. So we are still discussing the attached pronouns, which in Arabic is called damirun muttasilun. So in previous lessons, we have been studying the idafa construction, which is Muhammad's book. In Arabic, we say Kitabu Muhammadin, where we said Kitabu is the mudaf and Muhammadin is mudaf ilayhi. So when we say his book, it is in Arabic Kitabuhu, where Kitabu is the mudaf and hu is the mudaf ilayhi. And as I said before, hu is the attached pronoun. Okay? Similarly, when we say kitabuka, we mean your book. And here kitabu is the mudaf and ka is the mudaf ilayhi, where ka is the attached pronoun. So, attached pronoun, when attached to a noun, it always forms an idafa construction. And the attached pronoun in this case is always majroor, even though it is mabni. It is fixed in shape, but it is in the position of majroor because the pronoun is mudaf ilayhi. So we have learned that kitabuka means your book. Now look at this sentence here. Hadha kitabuka anta. Here this anta is a pronoun, detached pronoun added to this sentence for emphasis. It is not needed. because without this pronoun, the sentence is complete. If you say, هذا كتابك, it means this is your book. So this anta, the detached pronoun, has been added here for emphasis. And it can be used in a case when there is some doubt or just to emphasize. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.